unique person in your life. Love comes to those who still hope, although they've been disappointed. To those who believe, although they've been betrayed. To those who still need love, although they've been hurt before. And to those who have the courage and faith to build trust again. Don't go for looks, they can deceive you. Don't go for wealth, even that fades away. Go for that someone who makes you smile, because it takes only a smile to make your dark day into sunbright. Hope you find the one that makes you smile. Dream what you want to dream, go where you want to go, be what you want to be, because you have only one life and one chance to do all the things you want to do. The happiness of people doesn't necessarily have the best of way. Love begins with a smile, it grows with a kiss, and ends with tears. The brightest future will always be based on forgotten past. You cannot go on well in life until you let go of your past failures and heartaches.